Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Quick Launch into a HUAWEI P50 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find accessibility features. Here we got shortcuts and gestures, and here first option will be Ultra Snapshot. And here you can change, for example, take a snapshot or open camera. Choose maybe open camera, and now blocked our home screen and double press to volume button. And camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.